Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon you. Today we will complete solving paper 2, Computer Science, October, November 2023, paper 2, variant 1, OL. In the previous video, we solved the first 6 question. You can find link in description. Now we'll go to question 7. Consider this logic circuit. Write a logic expression for this logic circuit. Don't attempt to simplify this logic expression. Okay, here we have not A are ANDed with B, and all of this circuit will be ORed with not C. So you can write it as A bar ANDed with B, all this circuit ORed with not C or C bar. You can write it like this, or you can write it at not A and B or not C. Okay, complete the truth table from the given circuit. Okay, this will be A bar. Let's name this point as Y. So A bar will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the vice of A. And the point Y, this A bar will be ANDed with B. The two elements have to be 1s to give 1, and that's it. Okay, so the rest will be zeros, and then this Y will be ORed with not C. So not C, which is C bar, the reverse of C, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So anyone in these two columns will give 1 in the X, and they are ORed. So this will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, number 8. A programmer is designing an algorithm to calculate the cost of a length of rope. The program requirements are input 2 values, the length of the rope in meters as a name variable length, and the cost of the meter with a variable cost. Perform a validation check on this length to ensure that the value between 0.5 and 6 inclusive. Calculate the price, output price rounded to 2 decimal places. Use the variable names given. State the name of the validation check. This check will check that the length will be in range of 0.5 and 6, though it will be range check. Complete the flow chart for this algorithm. Okay, we need to input the two values, length and cost, but we need to validate the length. Okay, so we'll use a parallelogram to input and output. So to input the length, input length, and then we need to validate. So we'll ask if length greater than or equal 0.5 and length less than or equal 6. If no, we will attempt to input a new length. If yes, we will input the cost. So we'll use the parallelogram to input cost. And then as a process, we need to assign in the price the value we can get from multiply length multiplied by cost. This will be the price. So we'll need to output the price. So we'll use parallelogram to output or print price as a word, then comma, then we need to round this price to the two decimal places. So we write round price, comma 2, and then stop. And that's it. C, give two different sets of test data for this algorithm and state the purpose of each set. We need to set one normal value and one abnormal value. So you can use 3, for example, length equal 3, purpose, it is a normal data as this value in range of 0.5 and 6, and the program and the algorithm have to accept this value. On the other hand, we can put something like 7, length equals 7. Purpose, it is abnormal data as this value out of range and the program have to reject. Complete the heading for the trace table to show a dry run for this algorithm. We know in the trace table we use inputs, process, and output. You don't need to trace this algorithm, so the inputs will be length and the price, and cost. The process to calculate is price, and finally the output. Okay. Number E, describe an improvement that should be made to the requirements for this algorithm. Okay, we can validate the cost. Validate cost field using something like presence check. Okay. Number 9, a model shop wants to set up a database to help with stock control of a model figure available for sale. The shop wants to store the information about the model figure. We have here 5 fields. Field 1, catalog number, for example, MD 1234. This will be alphanumeric. Field 2, description, for example, small white dog. It will be text or string. Field 3, number of stock, for example, 5. This is integer. Field 4, the price of each model, for example, 7.40, this will be real. Field 5, if model has already been painted, yes or no, it will be boolean. Okay. The shop needs 5 fields for each record. Give a suitable name and date type for each field. We just need to write these names, but with no spaces. We can say cat number. This will be data type. This will be alphanumeric. Field 2, this is a description. And this will be a text. Field 3, number in stock number. And this will be an integer. Field 4, the price of the model, price. And this will be real. And finally, if the model has already been painted, so we can name it as painted. And this yes or no, it is a boolean. Okay, number B, give the name of the field that should be used for the primary key. It will be the catalog number. This is the unique value, the only field which have unique value. So it will be cat number. State why this field is used as the primary key, because it is a unique identifier. Okay, structured query language SQL is used to query data stored in this database. State what these SQL commands are used for. Okay, we can select asterisk. We can write it as asterisk, or we can write the names of the field. We can write select cat number, comma, description, comma, stock number, comma, price, comma, painted. Or you can just write select asterisk from the table name, which is catalog, catalog, from catalog, where we can say that just something like catnum equal, we can write this from the example MD1234, MD1234. State what the SQL commands are used for to output all fields or all data about the catalog number MD1234. Okay. Next we have question 10. This question 10 with 15 mark. So we will solve it in a separate video. You can find link in description. Thanks for watching. See you next video.